Whether you're drying, cleaning, conveying, or blowing off, food processors and packagers heavily rely on Paxton's high-efficiency air knives to improve their packaging processes and production lines. Air knives are powerful and versatile tools used in a variety of applications for cleaning, drying, and effectively removing debris from surfaces. These innovative devices improve productivity and ensure optimal performance in all food processing and packaging operations by using high-velocity airflow to effectively and efficiently perform a wide range of tasks. Paxton's air knives feature an uninterrupted air slot design to provide uniform air coverage over targeted areas, and with its 304 stainless steel construction, they're protected in harsh, corrosive, and wet environments. Completely customizable to your exact application requirements, Paxton's air knives improve product quality by consistently removing residue to prevent spotting, contamination, or dilution in final products. By using a blower-driven air knife system from Paxton Products, you'll use significantly less energy than if you were to use compressed air nozzles. And with fewer moving parts than compressed air setups, you'll also see reduced maintenance. Here are some of the most common food processing and packaging applications that Paxton's air knives are used for. To learn more about how Paxton's air knives and knife drying systems can improve your food processing and packaging operations, visit PaxtonProducts.com.